UNS Java Metric, the first cultural-based grading system in the world, presents Top 10 Institution Awarding Ceremony. PUI Javanologi UNS have always tried to appreciate all groups, both universities and government and private institutions around the world, who have carried about and preserved Javanese culture. We organize this award based on the metric system developed by the PUI Javanologi UNS team, aiming to collect and provide information from various institutions around the world that have developed their concern for Javanese culture. The information database compiled by the Java Metric team inform about activities centers, research, cultural event, resources, expert and artifact on Javanese culture around the world to enable this institution to collaborate. The ranking is then made to collect database on the latest condition and policies related to the implementation and development of Javanese culture in universities. This ranking will also be very useful for universities and institutions around the world in sharing information about various Javanese issues, as well as introducing to the public both domestic and foreign figures who have a role in preserving Javanese culture.
The set of criteria has been collected and intensively discussed among Javanese culture experts to measure the performance of Javanese culture at the universities around the world. After a precise and careful discussion, the finalized set of criteria consists of 11 points, which then break down into several number of indicators. Each indicator is weighted based on its contributions to the total score of Java metric system. The data collection team of UNS Java Metric is monitored under supervision of experts who are competent in their fields. Any critical examination may come up due to the method and the data collection instruments used.
After the announcement of the top 10 nominees on the March 20th, today we will present to you the top ranking of UNS Java Metric 2021. And the lists are: in the 10th place, Australian National University, Australia. In the 9th place, Leiden University, Netherlands. In the 8th place, Institut Seni Indonesia Surakarta, Indonesia. In the seventh place, Universitas Negeri Semarang, Indonesia. In the sixth place, Universitas Gadjah Mada, Indonesia. In the fifth place, Universitas Indonesia, Indonesia. In the fourth place, Institut Seni Indonesia, Yogyakarta, Indonesia. And now, we present you the top 3 ranking of UNS Jawa Matric 2021. The third place goes to Universitas Negeri Surabaya, Indonesia. The second place goes to Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta, Indonesia. And the top ranking of UNS Jawa Matric 2021 goes to Universitas 11 Maret Surakarta, Indonesia.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the UNS Jawa Matric Competition 2021 has terminated, and we congratulate the nominees for their active participation and passion in making Javanese culture grow stronger and bigger in their conducive institutional environment. Management of the UI Javanologi UNS do hope that UNS Jawa Matric will open up a new road to the preservation of Javanese culture and traditions from now and years to come. Your active participation in UNS Jawa Matric series of events through an active data updating in your respective institutions will certainly pave the way to the revival of the Javanese traditions. Congratulations.
On behalf of the UNS Jawa Matric team, I would like to congratulate all institutions that participated in our series of events. Let's keep on embracing and fostering international cultural cooperation. Thank you and see you on our next events.